Hello and welcome back to Mathsfield Pi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the quadratic formula. Okay, so this is our quadratic formula. It is minus b add or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So how we use this is we need our quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation you're given will look something like this. A x squared plus b x plus c. Now, we have to remember that not all of these letters are going to correspond for an actual number when looking at the equation. Sometimes x squared does not have a number at the side of it. In that case, a will just be 1, and the same for the rest of them. Okay, so the number in front of x squared is a, the number in front of x is b, and the number left over is c. Now, you have to remember that if any of these signs are a negative sign, then that means if this one was negative, b would be minus b, and if this was negative, c would be minus c. So I'm going to show you an example over here. So if we had 2x squared minus 7x add 4. Okay, so that means that our a would be 2, our b would be minus 7 because there is a minus sign here, and c would be 4. Let's do another example. X squared add 8x minus 3. That would mean that a equals 1 because there is no number in front of x squared. So that means that there's only one amount of the x squared. B equals 8 and c equals minus 3. Okay, we're going to use this example to put in the quadratic formula. So, as you can see, the start of it is minus b. So that means our 8. So we're going to write minus 8. Now, for example, we were using this one. It's minus 7. And minus 7 would just be 7. Add or minus the square root of, now b squared, which is 8 again, minus 4 times our a, which is 1, times our c, which is minus 3. All over, let's extend that I, all over 2a. Our a is 1, so that means it is all over 2. Now, just for ease while we type it into our calculator, we're going to put brackets around this. So, just like that. Now, we're going to put this into our calculator. So, if you press the fraction button first, then minus 8. We're going to do add first. Then you're going to press the square root. And then you're going to want to press your b again. And then the squared number. And then minus. And then we're going to do our brackets. 4 times 1 times minus 3. And then we're going to go down here and put in our 2. So it usually gives you a decimal. Okay, now we're going to just want to use this up button right here. Side button, in fact, to just go back in our equation and change this sign to a minus sign. That way we don't have to rewrite the formula out again. So that gave us minus 8.35889. Okay, so I'm going to do one last example, and that is this one here. So, as you can see, these are the numbers. You can pause the video now and try and do it yourself. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to get our b, which is minus 7, but this time it's minus 7, which is just going to give us 7. Add or minus the square root of our minus 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4. Because as you can see, our A and C are 2 and 4. And that is all over 2 of our A. So 4. And that is how you use the quadratic formula for a quadratic equation. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!